it's Ro. Today, I'm gonna be trying every viral candy from TikTok that I could find. Let's get started. Welcome to my For You page. I have seen these all over TikTok and I have wanted to try them. They're a candy called peelers. I bought these 5 bags for $13.50. And I got a bunch of different flavors to try. We've got mango, orange, banana, grape, and peach.
I like banana, but not banana flavored candy.
Can't relate. I love banana flavored candy. You peel them like you peel fruit. I love this. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Let's try. I'm gonna start with banana because I absolutely love artificial banana flavoring. I know it's a polarizing topic. Some people don't like it, but I want them. Oh, they smell just like banana Laffy Taffy. Here's the little banana, and then we're gonna peel it. This is so weird. Oh, it's so sticky. How do you, oh wow, it's really sticky. Oh, I love this because the colors are just like a banana. Look, okay, she peeled hers really cleanly, and I'm having a hard time. Whoa, mine are really sticky. Sticky banana. I love it. I love it. You can eat the peel. 10 out of 10. Aren't they adorable? All right, next up, my least favorite, artificial grape. Oh, looks like a bunch of grapes. Do you really peel a grape? I really don't like grape, but for science. If you had to have a grape candy, this has a passing grade. Next flavor, peach. Oh, look at it. Let's peel, let's peel. Oh, look at that. That's a great flavor. We have orange. Let's see. It looks like a little orange slice. They look so cute. Oh my gosh, I had to. They're so cute. Love it. Sweet and tart, perfection. This is good. Last but not least is mango. Oh, they're not see-through. They're like the bananas. There's the design. It's beautiful. This is so fun. Kind of reminds me the texture of almost like mochi, and then the inside's just a lot stickier, tackier, softer. I like it. The fun factor of these candies, 10 out of 10. They are so unique, they're innovative. I've never had a candy where I peeled them and you can eat the inside and the peel. I also love the price, they're affordable, and overall the taste is pretty good. I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10. Let's do the fishy. They look like ice cubes. Oh, they're frozen? Okay. Okay, so I guess this is called Oodles Wax Candy, and I guess the filling is like a frozen preserve, so like a jam, I don't know. The box is nice and cold. Oh, look at these cute little shapes. Oh, this little paw, look at the little paw. Oh, it's a gingerbread man. This is a foot. Well, I love all the shapes. This is just too cute, like little frozen candies for the summertime. It's a rose. Okay, I have to try the rose because that's my name. The box of these treats was $24. I have a sweet tooth. I've tried so many things, but I've never tried one of these before, so I'm a little excited. I'm gonna start with the rose. Oh, that's thick. Oh, yeah, that's like when you go to the dentist and they put wax like on your gums before they do a procedure. Let's try and make that look more graceful. All right, round 2, here we go. Oh my God. How do you eat this? Oh, help! Oh, I have it, it's in my hair. It's in my hair. I have the preserves in my hair. It's a great preserve, it's very sweet. Here, let me try one of these. I'm gonna take a much smaller bite and kind of lean back, kind of like a shot. Okay, way better that way. It's kind of like a little cup. The preserves are delicious. The wax is disgusting. A cute idea, not for me. I would give this a 3 out of 10. Hopefully the next one's better.
This is the most expensive popcorn in the world, and it's called Billionaire's Popcorn because it costs $15 for only 1 kernel of popcorn.
Let's try Billionaire's Popcorn. I want to try this so bad because I love movie popcorn. I'm always ordering popcorn. So what is gonna make this so good? Is it a special kind of corn? I think this is the single kernel, and then this is the bag. So you can buy the single kernel now for $5 or this 8-ounce bag for $25. Came with a little note and it says, Burko's popcorn, most expensive popcorn in the world, is handcrafted using my secret recipe. It's only made using the finest ingredients, including salt from a fancy island, using once banned ancient mining techniques. I finished this delight with a 23-karat edible gold flake because opulence of this caliber must sparkle and shine. All right, let's try this. Oh, I got way more than one kernel. Who's doing quality control? I paid $5 for this. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. All right, let's do it. Oh, shoot. Jeez, how did he do this? He said he just cut right. No, that didn't go well, so I'm just gonna taste it. I mean, it's candied popcorn, like caramel sea salt popcorn. It's very thick caramel, it really sticks to your teeth, and obviously the price is outrageous. I'm gonna have to rate it. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. Let's eat rocks. This is a pound of chocolate boulder candy, and it costs $25. Oh, what's inside of there? Chocolate and nougat? Caramel? Oh, maybe they have different flavors inside. Okay, the video is just him eating rocks. So let's try these different little rocks and see if there's any cool flavor. I mean, they look real. Don't these look real? Just went out in nature and I found some rocks. The only place I can tell is this one that's cracked open and I can see some chocolate. Let's see if they taste as good as they look. I'm gonna start with a small gray square rock. Why not? Oh. I don't know what flavor I'm getting, but there's chocolate and then like a little kind of a jelly right here. Let me try another one. Maybe we need to try a tan rock. Maybe that's what's going on, okay? Oh. What's happening? I'm tasting a stale Cadbury chocolate. As a chocolate lover, it's not great, but I'm gonna give it a couple more shots here. I've got some white rocks. I've got a black rock here. Honestly, does look like a piece of coal. It looks like I'm Santa's little helper. I'm a little elf, and hopefully this is gonna taste better. Here goes nothing. They're so big. Oh, this one's a little bit more chocolate nougat inside. I like this one. I'll try a white one. Looks-wise, these candies are awesome. I'd give them a 10 out of 10 looks-wise. It's unique, it's cool, they look like real rocks. But taste-wise, oh my gosh, like I've eaten better expired Halloween candy. Because of the taste and the price, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10. I have seen these all over TikTok. This is Mama V's Extreme Sour Blue Raspberry Blast.
I don't think I've gotten one this full before. Mama V's ones with the insanely viral and insanely sour gushers came out with new packaging.
They got new packaging? I didn't get it. Her eye is twitching.
Whoa.
Her eye is twitching.
I ate like 5 in a row. I had the hiccups for like an hour.
She said she ate 5 in a row and she had hiccups for an hour. I'm terrified. Let's see what all the fuss is about. Let's see if it's really even that extreme. So basically, it looks like they're gusher candies coated in citric acid. And here we go. Not that one. That one could go over there. Let's pick this one. This one looks, my mouth is watering just anticipating it. It's like starting to like drool. Okay. That was too much. I don't know how you could have 5 of these. These are so crazy. If you love sour candies, this is extreme. This is extreme. Michael, don't eat that one.
What if I eat 2?
Mike, don't. You have a bad heart. Okay, so as a sour candy lover, aren't they crazy?
If you swallow it wrong?
Oh, it's bad. It's bad.
Oh, God.
It's so sour, it's painful. But after you get all the sour stuff off, the gusher, I'm really enjoying it. It's yummy.
Oh, look at my nose. Oh.
I got you a water. I got you a water. Here.
Oh, it's up the nose. I'm gonna have one more.
I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I don't even know how to rank these because this is legitimately the most sour candy I've ever had in my entire life. So if that's something that you want, this achieved it. And there's different flavors of gusher. So I'd give that a 10 out of 10. But if you do not like extremely sour candy, I just wouldn't go anywhere near this. Dubai chocolate has taken over the internet, and I'm not mad about it. Each one of these Dubai chocolate bars was made by hand. Cost $20 and people are loving them. All right, let's try this. I'm having a moment. Look how pretty. Oh, I hear the crunch. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells chocolatey. I smell this pistachio. I cannot wait. This candy is actually worth the hype. The other candies, I don't know. What are they doing? But this, worth it. 10 out of 10. Let's try some 4D gummies.
4D gummies to see if it's worth the hype, to see if it's actually the set 5.
And guys, of course your girl didn't just get 1 or 2 flavors.
No, I made sure to grab every single flavor possible. And can we just talk about the prices? Yes, so cheap, only 99p. In this economy, that's actually a miracle.
The 3-pack of these costs $10, so each pack is a little bit over $3. So they call it a 4D gummy because I guess the shape of the candy's 3D, and then the 4th D is that it's delicious.
Love some D.
Okay. Let's just try it. I got the 3-pack, but it only came with 2 flavors. It came with peach and strawberry. So I'm just gonna, these are so cute. They're shaped like little peaches, little butts, you know? Let's open the strawberry ones, a whole bunch of flavors and give them different rank. Oh, these look so wild. It looks like a little strawberry. Okay, all right, well, let's try this cute little strawberry one. Boop, 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 boop. It's a gummy and it has a very small amount of like gusher filling. It's leaving a little bit of that strawberry artificial taste in my mouth. But if you like artificial strawberry flavoring, I think you'd like these, but that's a little much. All right, let's try a peach one. This looks just like the little peach emoji. I really like the peach flavor better. Both candies have a tartness to them. It's sweet and not sour, but it's tart. And I like the peach better. Looks wise, I'm gonna give these little candy gummies a 10 because this is very unique. I've never seen them look so shiny and so defined. And they're very unique, like they all even stand up, Mike. Like you can put all the little fruits together. But the taste is a 5. It's pretty good, but it's not really wowing me. The price is good, so I'm gonna give this candy a 6 out of 10. We went to the Aurora Bakery. It has gone viral. It is so popular right now. It is said to have some of the most beautiful desserts, and a lot of them look like fruit. Price-wise, these desserts are spendy. For example, this lemon treat, $12. This mango treat, $15. This orange treat, which exploded, $25. For all the treats here, I spent $130 plus tip. So the first dessert I'm gonna try is the one that exploded. It was our orange. This is nobody's fault. This happened in transport, but it would have been so cute, Molly, because it's got a little, look at it, it's a real leaf on the top. Let's try her. How do you eat these? It tastes like sherbet, orange sherbet ice cream. It is so good. Oh my gosh, that is delicious. I appreciate it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's try the lemon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like a lemon mousse, and then the middle, it's like tart lemon filling and a little bit of lavender. Now the little mango. I don't even know where to begin. It tastes so good. It tastes like a light mango whipped puree with like white chocolate. Yum. The orange dessert, 10 out of 10. The lemon dessert, 10 out of 10. The mango dessert, 10 out of 10. I give this bakery a 10 out of 10. I can see why they went viral. Let's try some Silky Gems.
Beautiful candy. The box is double layered. So
Oh,
cool. They're actually
pretty.
made with sea moss, so they have a nutritional benefit, and it also came with a sour dip.
This Silky Gem treasure box was $38, so about $40 for these candies.
Hold on, I'm forming opinions. I want the moon, but I'm scared I'm gonna break it.
Look at the fun
The crunch is
shapes.
satisfying, I'll tell you that.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah.
Pineapple, I want this to be mango.
The moon is pineapple. Oh, I hope I get a moon. She said that she likes the flavor and they're not too sweet. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh, unboxing. Oh, 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 oh. Here's the Pixie Sour Dip. Look at this. Look how beautiful. And then here's your little, you know, like your chocolate box guide. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, let me get my little sour dip out and let's try a flavor. Oh, which flavor should we do? There's so many. Honeydew, where is that moon? This is like a little flower. Oh my gosh, they don't even have a flower on here. Is this a surprise one? Oh, maybe this is it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, please, 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 here we go. It tastes like peach. Let me put that down. I'm on a mission. Oh, you know what? Let's grab a blue one. Let's try to mix these and do a sour blue raspberry. Okay, this isn't sticking, so I'm just gonna do that. Here we go. Whoa, too much sour. My biggest advice, go easy on the pixie dust. Because like, it's real strong. This one's a heart. It's a heart with a little heart. It's my heart, the big one, and then it's your heart, the little Grinch ring. I just love this. It really reminds me of a chocolate box, but for these gem candies. But they are a little expensive for what they are, so overall I would give these a 7 out of 10. Sweden, I love you. Please forgive me. I don't know much about this candy, but I want to learn. I love your meatballs. Okay, so apparently this is a foam candy, which is a mix between like a marshmallow texture and a Starburst. We'll see. Apparently these are skulls. I thought they were bunny rabbits. We're on this journey together now. We're opening the bag. It's happening. Are these bubblegum flavored?
Oh, kind of.
Sweden. What? Bubblegum is bubblegum. Okay, let's see what they taste like. They smell like bubblegum.
They're really
It's sour.
I was not prepared for
They're
that.
really sour.
They're pretty good though.
I don't usually love bubblegum flavored candy. I like bubblegum, but the taste is kind of mild. The smell is more powerful than the taste. And with the sour element, it's kind of amazing. I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10.
Wow.
A reminder, go check out my podcast if you haven't already. I'll put a link down below, and you can click here to watch some more videos. Bye, you guys.